UniQo, the revolutionary system of trolleys, mops and frames specially designed for hospital and healthcare facilities. The UniQo system is available in 2 series of trolleys. The total range includes 8 models, 2 mops and a frame. UniQo doesn't need pre-impregnation thanks to its exclusive patented impregnation system. With separate mops management, it prevents cross-contamination between environments. UniQo Series 4 is designed for smaller areas, ideal for spaces with continuous traffic and obstacles. It includes 4 compact trolleys with a mop impregnation system, programmed with standard times based on room size, floor porosity and level of dirt. After pouring the water and detergent into the blue impregnation bucket, the operator will hook one of the clean UniQo mops from the first blue bucket and insert it into the impregnation bucket. This bucket, with its 12 nebulizing nozzles, will impregnate the mop with a predefined amount of water and detergent. Upon completion of the environmental sanitation, the dirty mop is released into the red bucket through an automatic release system. This process ensures the separation of clean mops from potentially infected ones, ensuring the highest level of safety and sanitation and preventing cross-contamination of environments. UniQo system is not just the trolleys, but also a frame with a quick release lever and a graduated frame opening for inserting the mop into the pockets, along with 2 microfiber mops. One is extremely thin for already cleansed floors, and the other, with a thickness of 8 mm, is designed to hold even the smallest dirt particles. UniQo, the revolutionary system of trolleys, mops and frames specially designed for hospital and healthcare facilities.